Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products for your everyday needs. Today, we're going to talk about the best small dish soap liquid. Palmolive Ultra Dishwashing Liquid Soap, Pure Plus Clear Fragrance Free. If you're looking for an effective, eco-friendly, and skin-friendly option for your dishwashing needs, this one is definitely worth considering. Palmolive Ultra is a powerful dish soap that's tough on grease, yet gentle enough to protect your hands and the environment. It comes in a convenient 32.5 fluid-ounce bottle, perfect for both small and larger households. The unscented formula makes it ideal for people with sensitive skin or those who simply prefer a fragrance-free experience when washing their dishes. The best part? It's made with 100% biodegradable cleaning ingredients and is free from phosphates and parabens, making it a solid choice for those looking to minimize their impact on the planet. This dish soap doesn't just clean effectively, it's concentrated, so you don't need to use much to get the job done. Whether you're washing plates, glasses, or pots, a small amount of Palmolive Ultra will cut through grease and grime without any hassle. It's the kind of dish soap you can trust, whether you're tackling everyday dishes or dealing with tough cooking messes like barbecue grills or pre-treating laundry. What sets Palmolive Ultra apart is its hypoallergenic formula. It's designed to be gentle on your skin while still packing the cleaning power you need. This makes it a great option for people who are concerned about irritation or allergies from harsh chemicals found in other dish soaps. The packaging may vary, but the performance is always the same. Palmolive Ultra is a great addition to any kitchen, offering an effective clean without the overpowering scents or harmful chemicals. If you want to make a difference for your home and the environment, this dish soap should be at the top of your list. Palmolive's commitment to sustainability also shines through with this product. The packaging is recyclable, so once you've used up the soap, you can recycle the bottle, contributing to a cleaner world. If you're thinking about making an eco-conscious choice without compromising on cleaning power, Palmolive Ultra Pure Plus Clear is the way to go. And if you're someone who enjoys bulk buying, you can find Palmolive Ultra in larger refill packs, ensuring you never run out when you need it most. This dish soap is available on Amazon, and while the price is competitive, it's a small price to pay for its eco-friendly credentials and impressive cleaning abilities. To wrap it up, Palmolive Ultra Dish Soap, Pure Plus Clear Fragrance Free is the perfect choice for anyone who wants a gentle yet powerful cleaner. It's not just about washing dishes, it's about choosing a product that's better for your skin, your home, and the environment. Give it a try, and you might just find it's the dish soap you've been looking for all along. That's all for today's review. Be sure to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest, straightforward product reviews. See you next time.